Marketing your candle brand. Let me tell you our number one way that we have found success in growing our business through one marketing strategy. Okay, so our number one strategy for growth has been email marketing. Emails, that is the most valuable asset to our business. We collect emails at every possible chance that we can. We started it on day one and we do it every single day. So anyone that visits our website, we will have a pop-up that will say, we will give you 20% off your order if you give me your email. When they check out, we collect their email and they check a box that they agree to us sending them marketing and coupons. So email marketing is huge. Okay, you may be saying, I'm just starting out. I have no list. What do I do? Start growing your list. This is how you can do it. So friends, family, anyone that you think would buy your candles, collect their emails. If they would never buy from you, it's pointless to have their email. Don't collect it. But if someone would be interested in supporting you in your business, ask them for their email. Also, every time you post on social media when you're first starting out and someone likes it or comments on your post, send them a direct message asking, hey, I saw you liked my post. I'd love to keep you updated of other things that I have and let you know when we're doing a sale. Can I have your email address? A lot of people will give it to you. You just have to ask. When you're doing markets and just chatting with people, we had a clipboard out there with a sheet of paper on it that they could give us their email address if they wanted. Don't do a giveaway because then people are just giving you their email addresses and they're not interested in your product whatsoever. We've learned it. We've tried it. We've had zero success with any of those people actually buying from us in the future. So doing a giveaway, you will collect emails that way, but it's not from people that you want. So don't do it. Don't lose your product over it. However, one tip that I'll share with you, when someone buys from you out of the markets and you process that on your phone, we use Shopify, you can do Square, whatever thing that you're processing your payments through, it will always have that option of entering an email address. So do not ask your customers if you can email them a receipt because 90% of the people say, oh no, thanks, I don't need a receipt because they're thinking about the receipt and they don't need it. They don't care about that. Don't ask them that. Ask them, what is your email address? So I can send you a receipt. When you ask for the email address, they'll provide it a lot easier. Probably 75% of the time, they give us their email address. They don't even think about it. They're just, oh, it's Sebastian at Garden Beacon. And they just give it to you and then they walk away. And that's great. Now you have their email address. So you're going to send them that receipt that they gave it to you for, but now they're on your marketing list. So you can now send them emails with the rest of your email list and just keep growing it over and over again. And it might seem like it's a very, very slow start. When we first started, it was, we had our friends and family on there and then we started doing markets and we get 5, 7, 10 more, but then 10 every single weekend. I mean, after our first year, we were up to like 900 email addresses. And then this is what we do. We keep them informed of what's going on in our business. So we are not just trying to sell them anything, but we'll say, hey, we made a donation to the Humane Society. Thanks for your support over time. They appreciate those kind of emails. And then occasionally send them those discounts or send them your new releases. Let them know what's going on with your brand. Don't let them forget about you. At least if they don't buy from you now, you're still top of mind for them. And so next time they do need a candle, they'll probably be thinking about you because you've stayed in touch through your emails. Keep emailing. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to subscribe to our channel, that would be great. Also in the notes below, we have links out to our candle making course, our website, which is igniteyourcraft.com, and also to our Facebook community where we're just in there every day answering questions for people. So it's completely free. Come and join us.